Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our social science class work session. Last week I completed lesson 6 classwork. That means 1 mark, book back interior and lesson Roman 4th question answer. But still few members have not completed their classwork. So complete fastly as much as possible because now I will start 5th Roman brief question answer. Okay? Are you ready? Students, now you take page number 119, 5th Roman. Answer the following questions. A1. Name the different kinds of soil. Write about any two of them. Again one time question. Name the different kinds of soil. Write about any two of them. Answer. There are many types of soil in India and they vary from region to region. The different kinds of soils are: first one, alluvial soil, next black soil, next red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and sandy soil. Okay, now I explain about black soil. Black soil is formed from lava rocks and is black in color. It is suitable for the cultivation of cotton and is hence also called a black cotton soil. Now, red soil. Red soil is red in color due to the presence of iron in it. Second point, it is less fertile, but use of fertilizer and proper irrigation crops such as wheat, rice, millet, cotton, pulses and oilseed can be grown. Again one time I explain the answer. Question now, name the different kinds of soil. Write about any two of them. Now answer. There are many types of soil in India and they vary from region to region. The different kinds of soil are alluvial soil, A-L-L-U, alluvial, V-I-A-L, vial, alluvial soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Next one, black soil, B-L-A-C-K, black soil, S-O-I-L, black soil. Next one, red soil, R-E-D, red soil, S-O-I-L. Laterite soil, L-A-T-E, late, right, R-I-T-E, right. Laterite soil, S-O-I-L, soil, laterite soil. Mountain soil, M-O-U-N, mountain, T-A-I-N, tain, mountain soil, S-O-I-L, soil. And sandy soil, S-A-N, sandy, D-Y, sandy soil. Okay, black soil. Now I explain about black soil. Black soil is formed from lava rocks and is black in color. Second point, it is suitable for the cultivation of cotton and is hence also called a black cotton soil. Okay, now red soil. Red soil is red in color due to the presence of iron in it. Second point, it is less fertile, but use of fertilizer and proper irrigation, crops such as wheat, rice, millet, cotton, pulses and oil seed can be. Students, now B question. Write briefly about conservation of soil. Okay, listen here. Now answer. Okay students, what is meant by conservation? Maintenance or preventions or protect, otherwise safety. Okay, listen here. Now again one time question. Write briefly about conservation of soil. Answer. Plant more trees and stop deforestation. Second point, stop overgrazing. Third point, field should not be kept barren. And next one, hill slopes should be covered with vegetation to prevent erosion. Next, practice terrace farming in hilly areas. Okay, again one time. Plant more trees and stop deforestation. Stop overgrazing. Field should not be kept barren. Hill slope should be covered with vegetation to prevent erosion. And practice terrace farming in hilly areas. Okay. Students, now C question. Write about evergreen forest. Already I taught evergreen forest. Okay. Again one time I explain now. Evergreen forest, another name is tropical rainforest. These forests are found in hot and wet regions. Where? Hot and wet regions. The slopes of Western Ghats, hills of the northeastern part of our country, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands have dense evergreen forest. Where is located in our India? Andaman and Nicobar Island. All these places are hot and receive a lot of rainfall. How much of rainfall? Lot of rainfall. As the name suggests, the trees of these forests remain green throughout the year. These trees are tall and have an umbrella-shaped canopy or cover on the top. The wood of these forests are very hard. Mahogany, rosewood and ebony are some important varieties of the evergreen trees. A huge variety of ferns, climbers and bamboos also grows in this forest. Okay, now come to answer. Listen, first point, the trees in forests stay green throughout the year. as they do not shed their leaves. Again one time, first point, the trees in forest stay green throughout the year as they do not shed their leaves. Now second point, they are also called a tropical rainforest. They are also called a tropical rainforest. Now third point, they are found in hot and wet region. They are found in hot and wet region. Now last point, mahogany, rosewood, ebony and rubber are some important varieties of evergreen trees. Mahogany, rosewood, ebony and rubber are some important varieties of evergreen trees. Now B question, how are forests useful to us? Again one time, how are forests useful to us? Students, before the answer, I explain about the useful of forests briefly. Okay. Forests are also an important natural resources. Listen here. A forest is an important natural resource. It has been calculated that a country must have 1/3 of its total area under forest. Okay, but in India, only 1/5 of the total area is covered with forest. This is far less than what is required. Forests are also an important natural resources. Forests and its products are useful to us in the following ways. They give us spices, medicinal plants, different type of herbs, rubber and fruits. They provide shelter to various animals and birds. They provide hardwood for constructing building, furniture and tools. They provide a soft wood which is used to make things like paper and matchsticks. Forests help to control soil erosion and floods. Forests also attract clouds and bring rainfall. Forests purify air and check global warming. Okay, now come to answer. Listen here. Forests. Now answer. Forests and its products are useful to us in the following ways. First point, forests give us oxygen to breathe. Again one time, forests give us oxygen to breathe. They provide shelter to various animals and birds. Again one time, second point, they provide shelter to various animals and birds. Third point, forests help to control soil erosion and floods. Last point, forests also attract clouds and bring rainfall. Again, forests also attract cloud and bring rainfall. Okay. Students, now question, what are the various ways in which wildlife is being protected in our country? Again one time, what are the various ways in which wildlife is being protected in our country? Now answer. The various ways in which wildlife is protected in our country are by providing animals a safe and protected natural habitat such as national parks and wildlife reservoirs for them to live in. Okay. Second point, the government has passed several laws to prevent poaching, which is illegal killing or harming of endangered species. Third point, scientists nowadays tag small transmitters onto animals to keep a track of their numbers. Again, one time answer. The various ways in which wildlife is protected in our country are by providing animals a safe and protected natural habitat such as national parks and wildlife reservoirs for them to live in. Second point, the government has passed several laws to prevent poaching, which is illegal killing or harming of endangered species. Scientists nowadays tag small transmitters onto animal to keep a track of their numbers. Students, now take classwork, new page, write date and day. Lesson 6, India's natural resources and soil and forest wealth. First Roman keywords. Alluvial soil. A-L-L-U. Alluvial. V-I-A-L. Vial. Alluvial soil. S-O-I-L. Alluvial soil. Again one time. Alluvial soil. A-L-L. Lu. L-U. Lu. V-I-V-A-L. L. Alluvial soil. S-O-I-L. Second one, mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. M-A-N. Man. Grove. G-R-O-V-E. Grove. Mangrove forest. F-O R-E-S-T. Rest. Forest. Mangrove forest. Third one, recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E. Recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Recycle. Fourth one, coniferous. C-O N-I-N-E. Coni. Ferous. F-E. Ferous. R-O-U-S. Coniferous. Okay. C-O-N-I-F-E-R-O-U-S. Now, fifth one. National. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National. Again one time. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National. Now, sixth one. Laterite. L-A-T-E. Late. Right. R-I-T-E. Right. Laterite. Now, seventh one. Metals. M-E-T. Met. Als. A-L-S. Als. Metals. Now, Eighth one, aluminium. ALU, alu. MINI, UM. Again one. ALU, alu. Mini, MINI, UM, aluminium. Okay, now ninth one, chemicals. CHEMI, chemicals. CALS, chemicals. Now 10th one, plastics. PLA, plastic. STICS, sticks. Plastics. Okay, again one time, keywords. First one, alluvial soil. Second one, mangrove forest. Third one, recycle. Fourth one, coniferous. Fifth one, national. Sixth one, laterites. And seventh one, metals. Eighth one, aluminium. Ninth one, chemicals. 10th one, plastics. Okay, now second Roman, mind map. Types of forest. Types of forest. First one, evergreen forest. EVER, ever. Green, GREEN, green. Evergreen forest. FOREST, forests. Tidal forest. TIDAL, tidal forest. FORESTS. Thorn forest. THORN, thorn forest. FORESTS, thorn forest. Coniferous forest. CONI, coniferous. FEROUS, ferrous. Coniferous forests. Now deciduous forest. DECIDUOUS, deciduous forest. FORESTS, deciduous forests. Okay students, after finishing, send through the WhatsApp number. Write neatly and carefully.